Today, I'll show you how to hide event details in Google Calendar. This is really handy if you share your calendar with coworkers, classmates, or family, but you don't want everyone to see exactly what a particular event is about. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to make a single event appear as busy or hidden while still keeping it on your schedule. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that owns the event you want to adjust. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one. You can switch accounts by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting the appropriate account. Once your calendar loads, find the event whose details you want to hide. This could be a meeting, an appointment, or any other entry you've already created. If you have a busy calendar, it might help to change the view at the top right to day or week so individual events are easier to spot. When you see the event, click directly on it. A small pop-up window will appear showing the event title, time, and a few options. You're not editing the privacy just yet. This is simply the quick view. To get to the full settings, look for the pencil icon, usually near the top of that pop-up. The pencil icon stands for Edit Event. Go ahead and click that. Now you're on the main event editing page. This is where you normally change things like the event name, date, time, and guests. Somewhere on this page, you'll see a section related to visibility or privacy. The exact location can vary slightly depending on updates, but it's typically near the event name or around the middle of the page. Look for a label that says visibility with options like default, public, or private. Click on that visibility option and choose private. Setting the event to private means that people who have access to your calendar will still see that you're busy during that time, but they won't see the event's title, description, or other sensitive details. This is useful for personal appointments, job interviews, or anything you'd rather keep discreet while still blocking off your schedule. After selecting private, take a brief moment to make sure you haven't accidentally changed anything else on the event page, like the time or guests. When everything looks good and the visibility is set to private, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Google Calendar will update the event with your new privacy setting. If you want to double check, click the event again from your calendar view and confirm that its visibility is listed as private. That's all there is to it. You've successfully hidden the event details while keeping your availability accurate in Google Calendar.